Hello guys, welcome you all in today's video. So today's video is all about the TISSMAT 2021. Now Tissnet result is out and all those candidates who are looking for the HRM and ODCL program, they have to prepare for the TISSMAT. So everyone in search of where is my preparation, and most of the questions generated are nothing but what to study for the TISSMAT and how should I prepare for the OPI. So guys, stay tuned with me to know about it. So this is our new YouTube channel named Manoeuvre TIS Entrance, which is very specific to the TIS entrances, TISSMAT and the Tissnet. So if you want to enter into the TISS, you should target the Mumbai, Tuljapur, Hyderabad, Guwahati and even Chennai Palm campus. So to get the best coaching for the Tissnet and TISSMAT, call our board line number 8828581455. So guys, link for this new YouTube channel I already mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description and don't forget to subscribe the channel because you will get lot of updates on this particular channel. So let's move to our main topic. So guys, come at manoeuvreedu.com, then come to the buy online section. Here it is the MBA entrance. Okay, now in the market you won't get the packages for the TISSMAT and the OPI, even the live lectures with it. So just click on the full course show packages. Now scroll down. So this one is the TISSMAT 2021 booster course where you will get pre-recorded sessions, live class, OPI and also the mock test. So just click on view details. Now this one contains 68 video lectures, 27 handouts for the practice purpose and 10 mock tests. Now here our faculty will also guide you how you should prepare for the OPI, that is nothing but your personal interview. So you will get total live interaction with the faculties. You can easily solve your doubts. Whatever doubts are generated, you can share it to the groups and even you can ask to the faculties in the live lectures. And these all are 100% compatible with the TISSMAT syllabus. So you will get the reading comprehension part, data interpretation part, current affairs, and you will also learn all about the descriptive writing. So get the overall stuff for the TISSMAT and the OPI. So guys, 30% race you already won. Now your target is TISSMAT and then OPI. So best of luck for the further round guys. If you have any doubts and queries, ask me in the below comment section. So visit at manoeuvreedu.com/MBA entrance to join our online programs such as books, mock tests, sectional course and full course. If you want to interact live with us, call or WhatsApp on 8828581455. You can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So to get the regular updates with respect to the Tissnet, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So this is all. Thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.